Good morning and welcome to the future of accommodation. My name is Norman and I'm proud to present to you the premier Smart Stay Hotel. Having its headquarters located in Sydney Central CBD, its quiet but comfy location makes it ideal for business trips and also wealthy travellers that want somewhere luxurious to retreat to. We pride ourselves on the effortless synergy between technological automation and deliver the best possible experience to our customers, providing interactions that are both unique and useful to help customers create unforgettable memories. In order to deliver our superior service, we have to begin with reliable systems and their relative system processes. Since SmartStay is predominantly a service provider, in the revenue cycle we aim to pay articulate detail in ensuring that there's adequate accuracy across our inventory level and credit rating checks. We're having independent verification as well as exception reporting acts as significant safety measures to ensure no mistakes are made in either making a sale or recording a sale. As you would expect, invoices are automatically generated and sent to customers through email that is fast and cost efficient. Generally, there's great reliance placed on the CRM system because it allows us to assess and provide perpetually upgraded recommendations to customers based on the analysis of their needs, wants and preferences.
At SmartStay, we use a lot of integrated technology. One of the problems that arises from using integrated technology is that a lot of data will be generated. In terms of the expenditure cycle, we want everything to be as efficient as possible, as you don't want any delayed, damaged, or low quality goods. We have decided to partner up with Links Company, who specializes in integrating and maintaining building information systems. With the technology, this will allow SmartStay to link the expenditure cycle together. For example, this is done from the Links program. Links program will track the purchase of goods from involved cleaning and compare the data with the amount of goods sold and used. Over time, this will allow SmartStay to efficiently order the correct amount of different types of goods depending on the customer patterns in SmartStay, giving SmartStay a competitive advantage over its main competitors in Hilton.
SmartStay's human resources management and payroll cycle are unparalleled, as through our company-wide integration of CRM technologies, we are able to operate with customer satisfaction as our top priority. Our employee acquisition is completed using online advertisement as our first point of contact with potential employees. Through this, we are able to reach a vast pool of candidates, thus improving overall standard to which we are able to hold our workers. With regards to employee training, we use strict training modules comprised of both in-house and online guidance to ensure our customers' experience is pristine, thus differentiating ourselves from the more standardized competition. SmartStay's payroll cycle begins with the development of a proprietary software that collects employee working hours through the use of a timesheet app. The app uses GPS tracking and facial recognition software in order to ensure the accuracy and act as an internal control against fraudulent behavior. This data is automatically sent to our expenditure cycle, where payments are promptly processed. It is also through this software that our employees can access individual customer feedback and aiding in their ongoing training and development.
Overall, SmartStay is the future of accommodation by integrating the latest technology to deliver an exquisite and personalized experience to a customer. SmartStay incorporates every aspect of information system available today through the implementation of internal controls, the technology used in the revenue cycle like PayPal, BPay, Apple Pay, the use of Links integrated system in our expenditure cycle, and finally our own and personalized software incorporating multiple steps of security to suppress fraud and maintain an all-time high accuracy. All these components that I've just listed shows that SmartStay will differentiate itself from our main competitor, Hilton Hotels, and we seek to revolutionize the future of hospitality.